to another video of EcoSystem. So today we will discuss about tips and tricks of MacBook Pro and also test ecosystem of Apple. So I have three products here of Apple. This is iPhone 11, MacBook M1 Pro and MacBook Pro M2 chip. So before starting our tutorial, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel and also like our Facebook page, which is EcoSystem tutorial. And don't forget to hit the like button and share your comment under the comment section. So let's begin. So first, if you are new to Apple, you have an online meeting and you want to record some video and you don't know the trick that MacBook Pro also have this feature to record the screen. So just use these tricks, command shift, the shift key and 5, and you will get a small pop-up that shows some specific capture entire screen, capture selected window, then selected portion, then record entire screen, and then selected portion. You can click also on these to check these. And then there is an also option to check any timer or you want preview after the screen captured, so you can adjust here. Also, if you are recording a screen like recording a video, then you can have an option to check what type of mic you will use to record this video. Right now there is no mic attached, so you can use default option MacBook Pro microphone, right? So just click enter or click record option and it will start recording, and it will show here on the slide bar of MacBook Pro that the seconds, that these are the seconds that are recorded and these are the MB you used while recording. So there are also some option. You have noticed that there is a fingerprint sensor and there are lots of button over here. It's a touch bar in MacBook Pro and you can use it like if you want to talk with Siri. Hi Siri. Then
I can't seem to recognize this song.
So you can cancel it. All other features are you can mute anytime from here and adjust the volume and adjust the brightness, and also you can adjust the desktop, what type of desktop you are using and which window you want to use right now, and it will show you the launcher, and there are many more options. You can do brightness from here also and much more. So is it cool that Apple product give you such light touch bar to instantly change the brightness, volume and talk with Siri, lock your desktop via a command, control and Q. It will lock, and by fingerprint you can just open your system. So is it cool, right? So let's check the ecosystem now. I have discussed about the tricks. So let's head over to the ecosystem. First thing you have to see is whether your Apple ID is connected with all three systems. So right now my Apple ID is connected with this system and these both are synced with a single Apple ID, and this system is using I have using with different Apple ID. So let me just configure the Apple ID. Go to Apple icon, system preferences, then sign in. This says sign in to your Apple ID, set up iCloud, the App Store and more. So you have to do is sign in option, type your Apple ID which you want to connect with other Apple devices. Let me configure the Apple ID and then we'll come back to you in a second. So now let's talk about the desktop, the sidebar which is over here, and it shows that your system is using these type of stuff like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth is on, AirDrop is on for everyone, and on display you will see that there is an desktop. We have connected these three systems of Apple with a single cloud ID, so it shows you the system over here. and it says it's Roots MacBook Pro. If you want to connect, so let's connect it. What we can do with this system, we can communicate with the keyboard, and we can use this mouse over this screen. So let's just see the transition over here. Let me just zoom it and show you how seamless it's work. So let's just, this is the desktop one, and just see, this is the system 2, and I have a single mouse over here, and just see that I am going to this system and traveling to this system. And if I am typing over here, let's suppose hi, it shows you on there hi. So this is the feature which is known as attaching your desktop with another desktop, and you can type and use your mouse with this desktop feature, right? So let's go back, and this is just a beginning. Let's see how it works with the iPhone. So let's go ahead. So our next feature is we have several online tools that allow us to mirror our screen of any system. Like I have an iPhone, and I have a presentation of an application, so I have to rush. And what I will do first, if I am new to Apple or Mac, what I will do first, I'll just go with an application and search an application that mirror our application on our Mac. So for this, you just need to do is you have to just go to menu, and then here is an icon over here which is known as mirroring screen. So it's giving you two systems right now, and right now I am just connecting it with Mac EcoSystem's MacBook Pro. So if I connect it, it will just connect in a bit. Let's just see, it shows you the overall screen. And if I want to see any application, any demo of any application, I can see over here and see my photos also, and read my messages, or else I can do is record my game over here, or anything specific. So it's showing on the screen like this. Wow, it's beauty, right? It's very beautiful. So it shows you this in clear, and it's attaching with your MacBook Pro within a single touch. Head over to other feature as well. Now let's talk about live typing. Let's see, I am recording this screen also and this screen also, so that I'll attach in future that the both systems are connected with a single ID, and then it shows you beautiful features, right? So let me just create a new note, and you can just create a new note with command, and a new note will be open. So I'm using this note and just minimize this. So let's now open note on your iPhone as well, and just go to a new note. And now while I'll type, let me just open it also here on this screen, and let me just type UK Tech desktop, and now it shows you that here is something on your system which is open over here. Let me just show you. I'm using again the desktop features. Let me just open it like this, and what I'm going to do is type from this Mac, and will show you on this iPhone, right? So let's just start typing, and it will also display on this Mac, right? So let's say hi viewers subscribers, please, if you are new to this channel, if you're new to this channel, just subscribe. So see that it's typing over here and showing over here as well, and I'm typing from this system as well. I can type on this system as well and it will show you here. And let me just say okay, subscribed. If you have not subscribed, just subscribe right now. So now if I want to attach an image of this speaker, so what I will do is I will just go to file, insert from iPhone, take a photo, and now it will prompt the camera like this. It's just prompt, and now I'm just taking the photo of this speaker, and then we use this option which is use photo, and then it will show you on your systems. So just wait, it will also show you on the screen like this, and it's also prompt over here. So the next feature is copy and paste. You know what is copy and paste? So let me show you. If I'm typing over here anything like hello, hey, what's up, if you want to type this and just copy it from this system, and I'm using this copy feature, you can also use command C. Also you can use command C to copy it, and now I'm just going to this desktop over here and just paste over here. It's all written in the notepad, but I want to just paste over here, so it will paste. Or also you can use this feature on your iPhone. You have typed the message on the notepad and you just forgot to type it on your chat, on your WhatsApp. So what you have to do is just go here and just click on paste feature, and now it will paste here. The ecosystem of Apple, there are many more, like you can connect your AirPods with your system, and you can pause or play from any system in one go. So these are the small features that I talk about today. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, keep commenting under comment section, and do not forget to subscribe EcoSystem, and stay tuned for more videos. My next video will be how I started YouTube, will be in 2 to 3 days. Do not forget to subscribe. We will be back with other amazing tutorials, videos, vlog and podcasts. So stay tuned and keep watching EcoSystem. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.